ده موقف جميل وهو عناوين أساسية في الكثير جدا من المتحدثين، لكن هي أرضية تحقيق حلم الدولة الفلسطينية على الأرض احنا عارفين إن مسألة صعبة جدا وللغاية.
China has been pursuing very active policy from the beginning of the Israel-Gaza conflict. Beijing called two sides to calm down and also anti-conflicts and also settlement of some immediate problems on.
I believe that the BRIC member states, especially China, will have a big role to de-escalate the conflict between Israel and Palestine, because the BRIC member states, especially China, are considered as neutral to negotiate peace between Israel and Palestine.
As for China's role in the Palestinian-Israeli conflict, it has been an advocate for the extended, comprehensive, cooperative and the sustainable security approach.
Saya pikir Tiongkok sudah melakukan langkah yang sangat baik, langkah yang sangat konkret.
And I'm very happy that a huge power like China is talking so sensibly, is talking peace, is talking ceasefire, is talking two-state solution.
أعتقد أن هذا يدل على تحسس أكبر من الصين لأهمية زيادة دورها في مواجهة هذه الأزمة التي تؤثر ليس فقط على شعوب وبلدان المنطقة، وإنما ستؤثر على شعوب وبلدان العالم وعلى اقتصاد العالم وأمنه واستقراره.
China's position in the current Middle Eastern conflict is of course one to restore peace in the international system. So it is essential for stability in the international system of nations.